Welcome friends. In the discussion of research methodology, we are covering the topic types of research. In my earlier video, I discussed about exploratory research and descriptive research. Now I am going to discuss fundamental research and applied research. Fundamental research is also known as basic और pure research. फंडामेंटल रिसर्च को बेसिक या प्योर रिसर्च के नाम से भी जानते हैं. बेसिकली इट कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू द एकेडमिक बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज. कोई सब्जेक्ट जिसके एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड को के अंदर वैल्यू एडिशन करना हो, उस पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च को जब हम करते हैं तो उसे हम फंडामेंटल रिसर्च कहते हैं. Fundamental research concerned with generalization of a theory in a branch of knowledge. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर थ्योरी के जनरलाइजेशन को फंडामेंटल रिसर्च के अंदर किया जाता है. और ऑब्वियसली इस चीज़ को करने पर जो पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच ऑफ नॉलेज है, जो भी सब्जेक्ट है, वो उसके अंदर जो नॉलेज है वो एक्सपेंड होती है, बढ़ती है. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड the examples of fundamental research. My first example is studying major factors of pricing strategies. Pricing strategies के अंदर कौन कौन से मेजर फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो कि प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटजीज को इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, ये हमारे फंडामेंटल रिसर्च में आएगा. दूसरी तरफ when we talk about the elements of product life cycle, प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल के क्या क्या कंपोनेंट है उसकी एनालिसिस. एंड देन वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द लीडरशिप स्टाइल ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू enrich a particular academic field, a branch of knowledge, and thus it goes towards the value addition of a core subject or a pure subject, and thus it is called fundamental research. Another variation in research types is applied research. Applied research tries to find out the solution of a specific problem of a business, organization, society, etc. Basically, in applied research, we try to find out the solution of a particular problem related to any company or firm. And the main objective of applied research is to explore a solution for some practical problem associated with any firm, any business firm, or society, or government. Basically, when a researcher conducts applied research, it is guided by the company for which the research is conducted. So friends, let's understand some examples of applied research. I have quoted 3 examples here. The first one is a study of impact of CRM programs on customer retention. CRM denotes customer relationship management programs. Now a company would like to know what are the implication or impact of CRM program to retain its customers. कंपनी ये जानना चाहेंगी कि जो CRM प्रोग्राम रन कर रही हैं कंपनियां, उसका कस्टमर रिटेंशन पे क्या प्रभाव हो रहा है. So it is trying to know the level of customer retention or rate of retention of customer. Second example, ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि what are the ways and means to improve employees motivation level. Companies are trying to increase the level of motivation of their employees. So now they are interested to know in which ways and means you can improve the level of motivation of employees of a company. The third and last example of applied research is analyzing supply chain related issue or problem of a company, and that is a beverages company. So there might be some issue in supply chain of a beverage company. So company would like to know what are the problems and what are the solution of that problem. These things, these examples are under the purview of applied research, in which we are trying to have some solution of a problem. We are trying to search the problem, and if we find the problems, we try to present solution of that problem. So friends, moving towards another variation in research types, it is empirical research. Empirical research is based on experience or observation. And in this type of research questions are answered. Basically empiriकल रिसर्च में हम एक्सपीरियंस और ऑब्जर्वेशन के बेसिस पे किसी रिसर्च क्वेश्चंस का आंसर खोजने की कोशिश करते हैं. And it is based on data analysis which is collected through observation or experiment process. और इसमें we try to connect theory with observed data. जो भी डेटा हमने कलेक्ट की हुई है उसके थ्रू we try to establish connection or relationship of that particular theory for which it is conducted. Now let's understand some examples of empirical research. The first one is assessing the impact of yoga in curing diseases. We know very well that yoga is beneficial for mental and physical health of a human being. So would like to know in this type of empirical research that is there any impact of yoga in curing any particular diseases or some another diseases. Another example, that is the analyzing service quality on customer loyalty. If you are improving your service quality, then what are its implications or impact on increasing your customer loyalty. The third one is the relationship of unemployment and crime. It is a social problem. We know that unemployment is a curse to any society. So relationship of unemployment and crime, is there any relationship with unemployment and crime? If unemployment increases, so crime increases or not? So we try to establish some relationship between the two variables based on our experience, based on our theory. So these are the examples of empirical research.